everyone. We're at Summer House on Everett Bay, and we are going to go meet our friends and past clients, Sean and Gina, as they tell us all the wonderful things that they love about where they live. Come on, everyone. Sean and Gina, they've bought and sold several different houses, and of course, every time they call, they're like, okay, Christy, you're gonna think we're crazy, but we want to buy another house. They were so excited from the beginning to the end that this neighborhood was it. They finally decided on where they were gonna have their forever home built. The growth in the neighborhood too has been impressive. I think it's been a little over a year since they moved in. This will be the first time that I've seen their house since they've closed on it.
So thank you guys for welcoming us into your home today. I'm very excited to find out all the things that you love about your neighborhood, all the things you love about where you live.
Yeah.
Sorry it took so long to get you over.
I always get those promises.
Right.
We'll invite you over as soon as we close, right?
We really meant to.
I think we meant to.
But yeah, we've been here a little bit over a year, and we absolutely love it, so we don't mind at all.
Well, it looks amazing.
Thank you.
But you know what else looks amazing? That view. Let's go check it out.
All right, let's
Let's
go.
go.
Now this is just about as perfect as it gets here.
We spend a lot of time out here,
I can imagine
obviously.
you live out here.
Yeah.
Well,
They live out here.
They
too.
live out here, so we have to follow them.
Yeah.
So it is their favorite spot, so it's become our favorite spot. But just being able to stare at the water and see the clubhouse, the music playing at the clubhouse, all the weddings that happen over there, we get entertained just sitting on the back porch.
I heard you're a wedding crasher now.
I try, but she always locks me up and doesn't let me to go. But I do.
And
It's
that's
fun.
one of the places that we're going to go visit today, right? You're
Yeah,
going to take
we
us to the
definitely want
clubhouse?
to take you to the clubhouse and
Clubhouse,
show you.
the
There's
pool.
a lazy river. There's 2 pools on each side. There's
They call it a
gym.
pool, but it's more, like I've been to
like-
resorts that have less of a pool. It's
Exactly.
ridiculous. 3 pools in one, wrapped in the clubhouse with a lazy river that connects them.
Yeah, it's really a paradise. Like we can't really.
No complaints whatsoever, huh? No.
None at all. None at all.
And you're also going to take us over to the day dock, where I heard that you do a lot of crabbing.
Crabbing and fishing.
Crabbing, fishing, maybe little sunset, champagne popping. You know, it's relaxing. It's fun.
Yeah, the amenities are just endless. There's a boat launch. We plan on eventually getting jet skis and tennis courts. I mean, it's just
Just
like
about everything you could think of needing in a neighborhood.
Why do you guys leave the neighborhood?
Only for food.
wish we didn't have to.
Well, I'm excited to go see it all with you today. We have a big day ahead of us.
All right.
We're excited too.
I know that we're a little over a year since you guys closed on the house.
Yep.
I want to know from your point of view, your perspective, what that process looked like. What has it been like now living in, Summer House? How's it changed your life?
As soon as we drove in, we rode through the roads here, took a tour of the neighborhood. We both said, yeah, we're doing this.
Like where we were living, Jacksonville was only 25, 30 minutes.
About 25
from here.
minutes drive,
So we
yeah.
would come every Sunday and just like
Check on the
imagine,
progress.
This is really going to be where we're going to be living. We're just so excited, and it's fulfilled every expectation. Like
It has.
It's beyond amazing.
I love hearing that. You guys actually got in at the exact time you needed to for
We couldn't have
everything
planned it better.
to
Yeah.
Yep.
work out, right? It was a little scary though, wasn't
It was scary, and us thinking that we weren't sure if we were going to be able to afford the neighborhood or not.
It was going to be attainable because this was like a whole different price point that we had ever.
It is. It was a bit higher than what we've ever done. And knowing now, though, what's going on with the market,
Fantastic decision.
Right.
we got lucky, and definitely we were taken care of.
So what is your typical weekend look like? Back
There's
to our
just
neighborhood?
so many options, like so many things to do. Like we've even like 6, 7 o'clock at night come out to the pool and take a dip in the pool and go back home and grill up some food and
I mean, you have grills even here if you wanted to. That there's 2 grills open to the whole community. You can just come and cook your dinner at the pool if you want. You can just come and hang out and relax. You can bring your drinks if you want, whichever other neighborhood I've ever lived in. You're not allowed to bring a cooler or drinks. And
This is a pretty impressive pool.
Yeah,
It is.
Very,
It is.
Like lazy river.
Yes.
I mean, sometimes on the weekends there's like events here, and they'll have food trucks for us to utilize.
Yep. But
What I'd like to do next is take a look at that day dock where you said you guys like to crab.
Crabbing.
I think that
And
would be
fishing.
fun.
Yep.
Yeah.
Can the breeze get any more perfect?
It does.
Yeah?
It does. Right on the intercoastal.
Let's go check it out.
Can't thank you guys enough for bringing us into your home, your neighborhood. And today
Absolutely.
was, I don't know, it was amazing.
Right,
So,
right.
Thank you for
It was a
sharing.
good day.
Of course.
You're very welcome. You've done so much for us in the past, and it's the least
No
we
more
can
phone
do.
calls saying they're buying another
Yeah.
house. I mean, if
No.
you have to.
Maybe a second. Maybe a second.
I don't see
But
that happening anytime soon, but
Okay. Doesn't
So
mean
the-
that you can't call.
The next invite will be for margaritas by the pool.
Deal. I'll be
All right.
there.